Start. The first thing, therefore, that I took up was maternal and child welfare, and I am glad to be able to say that a great deal of progress has been made in maternal and child welfare. Full stop. These centers have increased enormously. While I agree entirely with my friend that we have not, of course, got enough health centers in rural areas or enough personnel, I think the creation of the personnel and creation of the health centers, the creation of the maternity and child welfare centers is going ahead with a fair amount of speed. Full stop. I was delegated when I went the other day to Bhopal to see in the remotest villages that the villagers themselves have built up maternity and child welfare centers, and government have put qualified women to look after them. Full stop. The care of the child is certainly our greatest responsibility, and the fact that the death rate per thousand of the estimated population has decreased during these last 7 years speaks, I think, in evidence of the fact that infant and maternal care is now receiving the care that it merits. Full stop. I hope that in these community projects areas in the secondary health centers, which I would like to come into the National Extension Service blocks, still further care will be given to maternal and child needs, so that we may be able to serve this part of the population better than we have done so far. Full stop. A sum of rupees 50 lakhs has been given by the center especially for maternity and child welfare in the backward areas. Full stop. Another sum of rupees 50 lakhs is being offered to the states again from the center, apart from what the planning commission is doing for this vital work. Full stop. Of course, health is a state subject. Full stop. Many things that have been said by way of criticism leveled at me should really be leveled at the state governments. Full stop. I have stated very clearly in the preamble to this report what the Central Ministry of Health is responsible for. Full stop. I hope that honorable members of this house who have perused this report with the care that it merits will be able to give the Central Ministry of Health a certificate that in all the subjects that are under their care, this ministry has not been at all negligent. Full stop. I know no one is more dissatisfied than I myself at the slow progress that we have made in the matter of provision of health services to the people. Full stop. But with the limited resources at our disposal, I claim that we have made the